Hello guys, my name is Omkar and welcome back to another episode of Lego in my style. Today I'm going to show you how to build this Lego mixer. This mixer, it does use a motor. This is a Control Plus motor. I had it in my Control Plus Rally, a Technic Rally car. Sorry. And I have to use my phone to make it work. I use an app called Wiz. So now I'm going to show you how it works before we build it. So this is the part that spins to mix the drink or whatever you want. So this part spins, connected to the motor, connected to the hub, Bluetooth hub. So I'm going to show you how it works. So you first take like a glass of water or whatever. I'm taking a glass of water, but you can take whatever you don't want to mix. So like if you have a milkshake or milk, you can add chocolate into it or whatever. So I'm just using a glass of water just for an example. You put a glass of water, you move this down like that. I made it clear so that you can see through it. You can see what's happening. So now this is starts swirling. So now I'm gonna take some paint in there because I don't have anything to mix right now. So I'm just gonna put a paint in there. You can see it's starting to swirl, and it should mix it, but just to speed it up just a little bit, I'm just sticking on enough, swirl the paint a little bit because the paint's really thick. So it doesn't really mix. It gets stuck to the ground. But with most drinks it should work. As you can see now, the paint is getting mixed. And there's some chunks of paint because the paint is really thick for some reason. So now it takes a minute, and we have the colored water. It's pretty quick. It's not as quick as a professional mixer, but it's a Lego. The motor isn't that fast. So now that it's done, I'm gonna wipe this off with a paper towel because it sits like this, so I don't want the water to drip down and go into the motor, which will most likely damage it. And then I just spin it for a bit so then it dries off. And now I'm going to turn off the app, so I should turn off the hub. So the motor is off now. And then you see I have this rubber band here with some tires. This is just to add some weight because my motor is kind of pretty heavy, and this has a wall which puts a lot of weight on this side, so it wants to tip back. So these tires help balance out that weight. And then we have our drink. Well, this isn't a drink. Don't drink paint, kids. It's just a little paint and water. Well, I'm gonna put this to the side with the paint, and I'm going to disconnect the motor. No, I mean the hub. Because now I'm going to show you guys how to build it. Remember, this is a Control Plus motor. You can most likely use a Power Functions motor, but you might have to do something different to connect it. Because the way I connected it, actually no, you can probably connect it like the same way as a Power Functions motor. I do not know how Power Function motor front will connect because I do not have one. I only have these. And it's kind of hard to find a video where people use Control Plus motors to make something. They usually just go with Power Function, which I don't have because the car I bought comes with the Control Plus motors. So I have to make videos for myself for these. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.